Today marks the most happiest time in my life. It surpasses me being born. It surpasses me getting my high school diploma. Words just can't explain how deeply I'm touched by what my wife has done. I love her. But she says she doesn't love me by doing that.